Stopfield.
Good morning, YouTube. Good evening, good morning. Depends on where you are. But welcome to The Price of Patience. Tonight we are again trading NQ. Um, Shout out to our sponsors over at the Red E. Do a quick little alternative intro today. All right, if it's your first time tuning in, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Today we have a jam-packed session to get into before the London Open. All right, we're going to be scalping the Asian session. Right now, we are in a chop zone. All right, and I love consolidation. Consolidation is a great place to find, some good trades to just scout. You're probably not going to be holding until we see a breakout. And it's been plenty of movement in this. There's a huge zone we're consolidating in, so we'll get into it. Let's check out these stocks in Red E today. A lot of us cooked on, wow, look at that. Look at that. J Will in here in the chat cooked on IWM. Is that 450%? So yeah, we had a member today turn $110 into six. Excuse my computer for going slower than molasses right now. Look at that, 450%. All right, excuse him. He's using Robinhood. It looks like he doesn't know any better, but he's making money. So, shout out to J Will, the great Mark Rogers out here, 4%. Yours truly. I cooked on IWM on calls. Looks like J Will cooked on puts. I cooked on calls. I just took a little bit of 140%, $100 out the market today. Challenge account. So I grew this account from $140 and now almost made that in a single day. So, all right, what else do we got? Also Mark made 250 on SPX. Nothing like alone. He cooked on puts. He cooked on calls, and the Red E was magnificent. One of our veteran members, Yasmin, cooked on SPY calls this morning. Look at that. And what most people are making in a day or two at work, we're making in a few hours in the morning here on the Red E. Definitely, if you're interested in joining the Red E, click the link in our bio and, at a special rate. It also helps support our channel, helps us to grow. So I'm your host, Donovan. I'm going to be helping you make some money on futures tonight. Alright, so let's back this up. I had a few monster trades already. This short for $200. I had another monster trade here. I had a really nice short here. What was that? It's not going to tell me exactly, but we'll talk about, forget about, excuse me, forget about my last trade. Let's talk All right, let me try now. I think maybe sharing my screen was the reason that my computer was going so slow. So sorry about that. If you're watching, you had to deal with terrible audio and all that. Thanks for making it this far. Okay, let me try now. I think was the reason that my computer was going so slow. So sorry about that. Watching. Thanks for making it this far. Okay. Welcome back to audio. I have an audio on here. Yeah, we're gonna have to get rid of all this extra stuff on the screen. Ain't good on that. Yes, we did some TA. If you didn't pick that up, was okay. All right. Okay. I don't know why that would be a problem. Okay. So let me see here. Turn off the phone, but don't mute the audio. Alright, I'm trying to get this set up to work. So let's see if it can. Okay. So we are in consolidation on the 4 hour, and it looks really ugly on small time frames. But here we are on the 4 hour, and we're looking at what I think is a bear flag. Now I'm seeing confirmation that this is a bear flag, but I don't think that it's ready to break out. This 4 hour candle should close at 2 o'clock let me, okay, time frame, number of bars to load, show fills, trade lines. Uh, it's 24 hours, it's candlesticks. All that is good. Hmm, interesting. I'm still not hearing anything over there. So sorry about that. See if I turn this off. No, maybe we'll be able to hear now. Everything is in place. Give it a try here. Got microphone. Okay. I'm trying. I'm trying to make this work for everybody. So yeah, we're in the 4 hour consolidation. I'm expecting us to sweep these highs. So I have a target. My target would likely be somewhere between 30,080, 30,150. Jeez, that's a big range. On the 4 hour is going to be tough to call the top. Um, yeah, that takes us to 3233. So we're looking at a 500-point move there. This is where I would want to go short. So if we somehow get to 32, 33, so 3255, okay, that's where I want to go short. Where's my 4 hour 14 estimate? Okay, so let's see if we can make that happen. On a smaller time frame. This market's not showing anything, any respect here. We're making all kinds of reversal patterns. It's not really sticking any kind of way. Like, yeah, we have a reversal pattern, but we're not seeing anything really stick. So yeah, that's kind of what we're dealing with right now. This is the pretty ugly morning star. The structure's not intact, but we're starting that normally would be respected, but these EMAs look like spaghetti. Look at this. We got the 9 crossing the 14, the 9 crossing it again, crossing it again, crossing it again. Definitely going sideways. So what can we count on? We can count on longs at the bottom, push at the top. That seems to be about it. So for now, we're in the middle. I don't think it's a good idea to diddle here in the middle. So we're gonna do our best to look for either like down, we can scalp that for maybe 10 points. We need to have a take profit and gotta have a take profit, and you can't just in this kind of market. You don't want to scalp without. You don't want to scalp manually. Like my computer's going slow. I don't want to scalp manually. My computer's going slow. Um, and then in addition to that, price is moving very fast off of these resistances. Like, okay, we just bounced off of the 14 SMA, which is great. We're about 15 points off of the 15-minute 14 SMA. And let's see, look how quickly it comes back. So I would have had like 2 seconds to grab my 15 points, and now it's only five points away. see if we can even get back to 15 points because I don't know what to expect here. I want to let this candle close and maybe we can make an entry on the next candle. What I'm seeing here is we're trying to go for the 80s. We're bouncing between the 20s and the 80s. And on this time frame, maybe on the 5 minute, see what's happening. So let's zoom in. Yeah, let's put our consolidation. Okay, so on the 5 minute, we are having a break this structure. to the upside. And look, we just keep getting that support holding up around the 50s. So feel good about that. Now, if we keep touching the 50s, I don't know if it's going to hold. But for now, our trade is back green. We are putting pressure on this resistance here. We have a little consolidation. When you look left, we're coming up on some consolidation, and that's going to be right around the 70s, the 80s. So again, I really would like to reverse my position as soon as we get there. As a matter of fact, um, once we can get to like I'd like to say if we can push into like the 75 to 79 range, I'll flip this into shorts just for again another quick scalp. I'll be looking to return right back to this area once we get there. Then I'll flip back to longs. Yeah, we are continuing to put pressure on these highs. We're growing more and more confident that we're going to get a little push here. This like price is in a pinball machine right now. It can't go lower, it can't go higher. It's just kind of stuck in this like hallway. Narrow it pretty soon. So here we go. Another try of the highs. Let's go push. We go a little higher this time. We already touched the 70s. I want to see us touch like 75. Mhm. Here we go. No, not yet. There it is. We got a violent push. Okay. We got some very aggressive buyers right now. More aggressive buyers. More aggressive buyers. Yeah, we're getting into that range, the flip range, okay? So I'm looking for, about to start looking for shorts. Yeah, I've loaded up about 3 contracts to flip. Okay, we're in the 75.
Order filled.
And here, I am short. Instantly, profit, okay? And it was quick. You really got to take that quick pop. The bulls are serious right now, so I might have needed to take that quick pop. I'm just gonna get out.
Order
Fuck, I
filled.
kind of missed my opportunity there. Had a quick short to take. We are gonna push into the 80s. Here we go. Here we go. We're in the 80s. Okay, now I'm gonna short
Order
this one more
filled.
time. Okay, and just till we're back in the 70s, comfortably in the 70s. Okay, give me 76, 75. There we go. I'll
Order
take that.
filled.
All right, so nothing crazy, just a little scalp. push into the 80s again. I'm gonna go long for that. Just gonna scalp this up. Come on down. Come on down. Come on down. There we go. Okay, now, see it happen so fast. It happens so fast. I want to be an aggressive buyer in the 60s. Do 63. If we can get there. Okay, so I have a limit order placed right there, so we can just come get wicked in. You see how quick the buyers are buying this area up. It's like you don't even really get a chance to press the buttons. So, alright, so I have my order in at 70 through 70, 763. So we're looking for longs. We're getting these aggressive pushes down. Barely just got 69 right there. You can push down a little bit more. Alright. I think we're about to go through. We're about to go through to the 80s,
Order
so
filled.
I'm gonna get aggressive here. And I'm already long at 70. I think we're about to push through into these 80s. We are getting aggressive. The buyers are getting very aggressive. Yeah, I have an aggressive entry, but I am waiting to get wicked in at 63 still. I will take that fill and pile into this long. Then to get my aggressive entry at 68, 67, but this thing just moved so fast I didn't order. And we're in a low liquidity environment, so my orders scooped up a bunch of orders, and that's my average price. And just let's see, let's see this push. We should see a push through the 80s. It should be a violent push through the. I don't know what's gonna happen next. That's just me. Okay, so I just want a quick profit through the 80s. Maybe like 80, anywhere from 85 to 90 is probably where we're gonna land. Okay, we're just taking some quick scalps and push. Okay, wrong way. Hmm, here we go on this one. Is this the one? 79, 78. Let's go 80. Okay, we touched it. We touched it. Keep going. I think we're done. We're applying pressure here. There's a lot of consolidation to the left, so we got to take this quick. All right, here we go. 84,
Order filled.
84, I'm out. All right, took a quick little 84, little pop. Uh, Again, we're in chop, so I'm just this is how I trade chop. I think we're gonna get a push maybe to the 90s. I'm not going to short it just yet, but I think we are going to get a nice quick short. downside, a little drop ski. Keep coming to this level, so see if it respects it. Okay. Look at it go. Look at this thing go. Wanted this liquidity here. This is a lot of liquidity here. There should be some sell orders to work through right now. I kind of want to short this, but I think it can go a little higher first. I don't want to be liquidity. Get to like 8:15. I'll short it. Let's go. I really don't like this chop though, y'all. I'm not gonna lie. I might call the stream early. I know my audio's bad, and I could a lot better than consolidation is like you're not gonna do too much. You might make a little bit here and there, but you shouldn't be aiming to do anything miraculous. Consolidation. This is not the pullback that it is, isn't it? As a matter of fact, it's not a bad pullback at all. It's in the 80s. There we go.
Order filled.
I'll take that. Never mind. So much for the 80s. I got in at 91. Come on. Let's get back to the 800s. Don't be shy. Be shy because I'm watching. Okay. Okay, we're pushing. Not really pushing the way I like. Oh, there we go. There we go. And I got another scalp here. Just a little, come
Order filled.
on, little push there. I'll take it. It's the little things. It's really the little things. I'll take them, man. It's good. It's really good. I don't know what I'm profitable. I'm pretty profitable in this session right now. Yeah. I'm gonna keep my risk the way it is, though. I like my hard scalping a little itty bit. say any pullback, long any pullback, and now we are pushing through some serious resistance. I honestly though, I thought it would pull back. Might have like a blow off top. Get a new high of the session on this run. Keep doing it like this. Last time we made a high of the session, it did come from
Nah, oh, what did you do? No, the audio is.
Oh, it's working now. Oh, you know what? Maybe I was muted. Maybe I was muted. Okay, there we go. I just messed with my volume a little bit. And we are
Wait,
back. Okay, so
let's
about
see.
those technical difficulties.
Yeah,
Yeah.
there we go. Yes, now it's working.
All right. Well, you know,
Let's go.
we just leveled up. We gained a little experience, little streaming
Welcome back.
experience. Okay, so hope you guys have been having some great trades. Look, we're here to make some money futures trading with this Asian session, this choppy Asian session. There is no rhyme or reason for it right now, but we are just going sideways. And we're trying to find a good trade. So right now, I might let support actually work in my favor and go long right about here. But so far, every little pullback has been good to long because we're just going straight up. I don't know if this is a good time. I would like to see it pull back a little deeper into this consolidation, but also there's like a thin line between that being bullish and bearish. So we're gonna just kind of hang out for a second. Hang out for a second. See, Lowe's, you trading it all today?
Hey, I'll be looking at the charts in a bit, but I'm currently running some errands at Walmart, bro. So I'm here
Yeah, I
though.
get it. I get it. I get
Yeah.
it. Right before they close, huh?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Know the vibes. All right. Yeah, for me, I am trying to pass this eval. I have a funded account. I'm not gonna trade tonight. I had like a trade that funded accounts only allow you to have 10 contracts on Apex, at level one. So I full ported this one trade and it went well initially, and then it went against me, and I was like, oh no, it'll come back. Now it did come back, but where I messed up is I tried to partially close the trade when I was in profit,
And
and
what happened?
it rejected my order entirely because I already had a stop
Yeah,
loss and a take profit
yeah,
that was equal to the max amount of contracts. So
yeah.
it wouldn't take any more orders until I canceled those. And before I could cancel them, my trade went negative.
Oh, but wait, you're trading on Trade Away directly, right?
You trade evade directly, yeah.
Ah,
So
so that's not a trading view thing, that's Trade Away thing. Okay,
yeah, yeah,
okay.
yeah. They do that. They do that.
Yeah,
So
it's
that
annoying.
it pissed me off. It
And I
honestly, it
don't, I
really
mean, but
pissed me
that's
off.
okay. I remove TP and then we can take partial. That's less
Yeah,
of a problem. But what I
yeah.
don't like is that when you do that, your stop loss does not adjust automatically.
Right. Exactly. You have to manually adjust that too.
And I don't know if it's same on trade away, but on TradingView I cannot just modify the original stop loss. I have to cancel that stop loss and put a new stop order.
Yeah, normally I can. I just have to go into the on Trade of It. You have to go into your orders and modify the
And
order, and it does allow you to do it.
because
Um,
yeah,
yeah,
sorry.
when you take partials, then it adjusts. Now your stop is too much for your position.
Because when I do so, if I enter a trade without a stop loss, or if I remove the stop loss and then I make a new stop order, then I can adjust it freely, like number of contracts. But original stop loss I cannot adjust. Oh, whatever. Um, maybe this looks like we are forming some kind of a bottom slowly here, huh?
Um,
But
Either that or when you zoom out, it looks like a big bear flag.
mm. True,
It's
true.
a big bear flag, or it's going to turn into a U-shaped recovery. So,
Yeah, because it's very nice rounded bottom on 10, on
mhm,
15, on 30.
yeah,
We
we're
are
making higher
super
lows.
close to that 29 400 that we mentioned yesterday.
Mhm.
The golden pocket from the last move.
That's my
So
target. That's my
so
profit.
I would expect that we see at least just a quick, just a quick dump.
Yep. So if we do break out of this consolidation to the downside, then absolutely my targets down here are we got 29, roughly about 29,300, and then 29,100, 29,50. So right around there. And I was just saying earlier on the stream when technical difficulties were going on that if we are going to drop, then we're going to come up first and we're going to sweep these highs. So
Mm,
that means that right around 30,065, be really careful trying to hold, like if you're trying to hold overnight, you're trying to, go long further than that. It could be a continuation. I could be wrong. But if we're gonna sweep these highs, then we're probably going to come to we can come as high as here, 303.84, or we could even, yeah, actually that's, is there confluence there? We can come to 303.29, 303.84. 303 flat, anywhere in this area, we can reject and just decide, hey, it's time to continue the downtrend. There might even be an EMA on a higher time frame that'll align with that theory, but let me see. I think I saw it on the 4 hour. But anyway, right now it looks like we're doing this violent push up, and I think this is the last push up before, of course, London Open, the last push up before possibly the drop. And then on the 4 hour, we have this big old, you could say it's a head and shoulders, but it's like one of those head and shoulders where the head and shoulders are at the same level. So um, my mentor, Mark, was like not really trying to acknowledge that it was a head and shoulders. And sometimes I'll call stuff a head and shoulders that doesn't really qualify. And this could be one of those times. This could be one of those times. That's my thing. So don't be that guy. I am that guy. But okay, we have the 9 EMA on the 4 hour at 3,005. All right, so we can overshoot that. This is Nasdaq. Nasdaq loves to overshoot. We can overshoot that. What that does, it sweeps the liquidity. Number one. Number two, it resets the RSI. All right, and number three, ooh, okay. Let's say we not only sweep that liquidity, but we come up to 302.64. That brings us to the 14 SMA on the 4 hour, which would be an excellent place to reject and continue the downtrend. Um, these are the types of moves that I might expect to see at New York Open or London Open. So yeah, be weary if you're trading around 3 o'clock Eastern time. If you're trading around 9:30 Eastern time, these moves could happen then. They don't have to happen now. We can go sideways for the rest of Asia and London. Well, until the London crossover to New York. New York is going to move the needle. Um, and I think something's going on tomorrow. There's some sort of data coming out.
we had, I'm not sure. Yes, core GDP. Wait a minute. Tomorrow 24. That's today 24. No, but tomorrow, so 25th, we have core PCE and final GDP.
Oh wow. Yeah, okay. So that
Yeah,
could move the needle. I
and
think.
that's 1 hour before the New York opens.
And didn't we have Micron earnings?
Exactly. I just wanted to say that. Yeah,
Okay, good. Yeah,
but
that
that
put the
was
market
that
early
was yesterday. I mean, for you today,
Mhm.
after the
after market close.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah, yeah. The guidance actually pushed the market up. The last when the guidance came out, I think we were dealing with this push up here. So we were in the process of breaking down, and this candle had just like begun to get ready to test the lows, and then boom, we just shot straight up, just like we're doing right now.
Hmm.
Yeah. So a lot of this movement could really just be Micron's market cap.
True, because look, two candles ago on 30 minutes, we don't have a lower wick.
Oh wow.
I just noticed that. So, but what I find interesting is that we just, or actually we did not. My bad. I thought we took the previous day low, but we did not. We came like few ticks away, so we might flush down.
Yeah, I think right now Micron is up 4% after hours, up $42. Which
Okay,
is
not that crazy.
yeah, it's pretty normal for Micron.
Yeah,
They've had better days without earnings, right?
yeah, exactly.
But yeah, it looks like they're on a trajectory to sweep these highs. They can go another $20 up, which would make them 6%, and that could push the market to where it needs to be to sweep these highs. Man, but then if Micron just dies before market open, then that can bring us to a new low. A new low. Let me see what SpaceX is doing because it was weird. SpaceX yesterday was actually very bullish when everything else was bearish. It had great relative strength. SpaceX is up. It's pretty much flat after hours. It's up like 25 cents, so nothing crazy. Um, QQQ is up almost 1% after hours right now. I'm curious what IWM is doing. Okay. So I usually don't do this, but I used to trade IWM exclusively when it came to futures, and I changed that, and I made some money on IWM and options today, so I might have to see what's going on. Um, I love trading a little bit of IWM because she just moves so clean.
No, I haven't traded it to be honest, but it's cheaper, so and it pays, no?
It pays. There's 20 ticks per point within IWM. So yeah, you can, or is it 20 ticks or is it 10? It's 10 ticks per point in IWM. Okay. Yeah, so yeah, you can make some money on Rusty. The Rusty Russell. I don't want to trade minis though. I sure as hell don't. No, sorry, Bob, not on the 25K. All right, let's go to RTY. Can I get the micros?
MICRO. Micro.
Is it MRTY? RTYM? Is there no mini? Yeah, no. Oh, okay. Wait. Where is the micro? Okay, let me just type in micro. Maybe it'll micro RTY. What is the freaking picture? It looks M2K. I don't know why they It's different than everything else. The Mike
Mm.
Russell 2000 is M2K instead of RTY, which is completely different, but whatever.
Is
Whoever
this?
Chicago Mercantile needs, we need to have a talk.
Yeah. uh, are we short from here? What would you say?
Did we make a reversal candle? We're in
Well,
the process.
I'm not sure we did yet, but
We're in the process. So I would like to wait 3 minutes, see how this candle closes. And if it closes like this, then I am happy to go short. Oh, and look, we're right at the top of the range.
that's it. That's what I'm saying. Yeah. That's what I'm looking at.
Hey, this range right here is there's so many points because we're in a 4 hour range. There's so many points to be had here. I love it. I love it. I love it. All right.
I would aim down to pretty low.
Yeah, if we can get halfway there, I'll be happy. That's like we're talking 100 points to get halfway there, maybe 150 to get halfway through.
Yeah, true. Yeah, true. You're right. Haven't even.
Rusty is a 30-point range right now. So that's pretty sweet. 30 points and then 10 ticks per point. It's pretty good. So that's like 300 ticks. I mean, Nasdaq's the only one who has so in the range. Rusty and the Dow, they trade a little more calmly after hours, and
I'm
uh,
short.
you're short front running it. Okay, front running it. I'm waiting to see if there's any surprises under the hood. Welcome to my hood.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it looks like a great place to go short. So you might have cooked right there, my man.
It's him. Let's see.
I mean, maybe this isn't the run where it does it, but I was expecting us to sweep the highs before we really dropped. So if we didn't do that,
We're still very possible. I mean,
I mean, we could come all the way down and go back up again before we
that's
sweep this.
also true. Yeah.
hmm But what's
But
interesting is we made higher lows. I would expect us to at least make a higher high, even if we don't sweep the highs of the consolidation.
yeah. Look, this candle, 30-minute candle, has no upper, that lower wick, and then two candles ago. So I will adjust my take profit from PD low to 29,667
Oh, okay. We got a candle close.
just to fix that
I'm gonna
30-minute candle.
size down, go short for 3. Here we go. I am short. I have my 1.5 RR set up right now, which is nothing too
Okay.
crazy.
Okay.
Order filled.
Oof, and I'm about to get stopped out. Surviving. Yeah, I think this would be a good 60 pointer.
Stop filled.
Hmm. Okay.
Yep, stop me out.
Okay. Thinking of closing it maybe manually. I have a stop loss higher above the high,
hmm
but let's see.
Order filled.
And I see why you went short. It's not a bad idea at all. I just got into another one at 850.
Hmm.
15-minute candle is young. I think it might have just been making an upper wick. So
Yeah. Push.
we'll see. But that's definitely a reversal candle. You see an inverted hammer. You got every reason to go short. So also earlier, bro, I saw an owl. Like I usually don't see owls, but I saw an owl come sit
Whoa.
on my fence, and it was staring at me for a while and
In the
making
city.
noises.
I mean, I don't know how much in the city or outside of the city you are, but wow.
Pretty much, yeah. I'm in the city, which is it's really weird. We don't
Yeah.
see. I've never seen an owl in my entire life in Washington D.C.
Oh.
until today. So I was like,
Okay. Okay.
that's weird. I don't know if this thing escaped the zoo or what, but it's just like a full fledged owl out here.
That's crazy,
Interesting.
bro.
You should
That's
you should look for its meaning.
Yeah, I did. I looked it up. I looked it up earlier. I forget what it said, but this girl I was talking to told me to look up its meaning too. It was like,
I
yeah,
was just gonna tell you that.
yeah.
Is, is that girl by any chance a Latin person? Like Latin? Is she
Wow.
Mexican?
She's really spiritual though. No, she's a black chick, but she's super spiritual.
Because that tends to, like, you tell somebody like some Mexican, like usually an older person, like, oh, this happened to me, oh, you should look, this means they usually know the meaning to that already.
Yeah, but bro, it makes a lot of sense.
I used to see those a lot when I was a kid in Mexico. When my outside of my grandma's had a super big dark tree. Like you don't really see those. At least I don't see those out here.
Mm.
Super tall, big tree, huge tree. And you could hear it, and you'll see it from time to time. Always at night, right there, that tree.
Mm. Mm. Pretty
But
crazy.
but here, yeah, I've never seen one either. Well, not the way you have.
It's interesting because I trade, so it's like when you're a trader and you hear certain stuff, it means different stuff than it would mean if you didn't trade, you know?
Yeah, because you're already yeah.
So it's like trust. So the meaning is trust your inner voice, look past appearances, and seek hidden truths.
Mm,
And I'm like,
mm-hmm.
well, my inner voice is
What?
telling me to go short.
Let's go short then. But it's funny because I caught my first Congo reel yesterday, and I went for that same explanation. It said like whatever. It just shows patience and breaking the shadows. I'm like, okay, again, patience. Okay, I will take it. I didn't go further. So
It's good.
funny.
Divine signs, man.
Yeah, I'm short. I went short on my evil too with a little bit more contracts as usual, and I will trim here. Market buy. And don't jump like that. No, come on. Okay. Mm,
Yeah, I'm gonna give this at least like 15 minutes. But really, I feel like I'm gonna like where it is in 30 minutes. Is that enough to stop it? Should I go here? So I might go for like close to 100 points on this trade. So 100 points for that. It's 400 bucks. I'll probably trim before that, but
On the funded account, I went based on bigger time frames, so I will just let it. Oh, but that's 5 minute 14 SMA here, right here. Ooh, I'm not sure if I want to stay in. Maybe take my 200 and. But the entry was good.
Yeah, the entry was great. Very high probability that we have multiple red candles after this, considering the hammer. And I'm on 15 minutes, so yeah. Let's see what Los is seeing here. Is that the 800 down there?
Are you talking about the one picture that I just sent into the chat?
Mm-hmm.
That's my 200, but that's the 4 hour time frame, and you see how we held that, and then after that there's, I mean, what, three indecisive candles, well, unless this
Mm-hmm.
one makes up its mind.
Mm-hmm.
So we could get a bounce from here. That's the 200, so it
Yeah.
could be.
We might need to touch it first, though, right? We didn't
Oh,
quite touch it yet.
you're right. Yeah, we did. Touch it.
So I'm not mad at that if we can get down to 29.4 or 29.500. That'd be a nice little, and then bounce from there. That's right in line with my trading plan. I'm cool with
I
that.
closed my. I closed my. What did I do? I didn't close it. I closed it now. I took my 200 something on the funded account, and I will
Very
wait
nice.
now to see.
Great trade, bro.
Um, on the evil, I made more, which is fine, but no, yeah, it was a perfect entry. It was a perfect entry. But now the 5 minute candles has no upper wick at all. This one and the one before the previous. Um, mm,
Keep on cooking.
do we want now to short the bottom? Well, okay, that was the first day, first two trades of a day, so I should be okay with that. I have to go make coffee, for example, and just chill a little bit.
Mhm.
Oh wait, I still have a runner on my evaluation account. Okay.
He's still short. You know what? I gotta move my stop loss. I don't know. I feel like I saw this meme, and it was like an NQ meme, And it's like someone moved their stop loss to break even, and then this guy pops up like, "Hey, did you just put something in your pocket?" he was like, "No, no, I didn't put nothing in my pocket." It's like, "You just put something in your pocket. Give me," and then boom, and then it's like a picture of price going to a stop loss,
Then the reverse.
and then it goes down.
Did you put something in your pocket?
Yeah, so NQ's over here watching you. As soon as you move your stop loss to in profit, it takes your money like Carlos.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
I was like, that's the
You
Carlos
sure
meme
you
right
want
there
to
when I
do
seen that.
that?
You got some trades where it don't do that. It'll just
Bro,
keep
we
doing its thing.
missed. I'm sorry, hot zero,
Don't,
but we missed like
don't.
somebody actually answered you when you were trying to find Russell micros.
Oh, they put it out there. They put the M2K. Yeah, I'm not even looking at the chat because I was having some technical difficulties, so I
Well, I
had to.
usually do, but I
Yeah,
had like closed it earlier.
yeah.
It's like
Okay.
somebody actually responded. Oh my god!
Hold on.
Trying to find Russell micros. Turn this
Wow.
guy off, bro.
Yeah, that guy. Fuck that guy. No, I'm kidding. Okay, okay, Mr. Anderson says 29,812 is his TP.
Yeah, that was before I woke up.
Oh, okay, yeah, that was a while back. 29,812. I think that was longs.
Yeah, I think so. Wow.
Thank you, Hut, for the M2K. Yeah, I finally found micros. Finally found them. Okay, I'm waiting to see how this candle closes, see if I'm taking profit. I am still in these shorts. I don't believe the bulls are going to take it back. I think we're going to at least the 9 EMA at 29,794. So I'm short still. I'm short still. And you know what? NQ, you can do whatever you want. I'm putting my stop loss in profit. You better not make a meme out of me. I think I'm putting my stop loss in profit. Why does it keep? It's not letting me adjust my order. Okay, it did now. Yeah, but earlier it was doing the same thing. It wasn't letting me adjust my damn order.
Maybe you had already too many contracts.
Not this time. Got 2. I know I can have 8 more. So at the very least, if they're counting my stop loss and my take profit, I can still have 6 more. Damn it. I gotta be careful with that, man. That really pissed me off.
I just added to my short on my evaluation.
Mhm. I like that. I think we're honestly gonna blow through the 9. We're probably gonna give a little bounce at the 9, but then we're gonna blow through it. And then yeah, I'm counting on this going to I have 29,754. Oh, we just blew through 820. So here comes a little pop. And then we're gonna pop back up for a second. Usually, so I've noticed on the 20s and the 80s, when it gets respected, we usually get about 3 tries before we pop through.
Huh.
And every try will go a little bit lower or a little bit higher. It's almost like a super small time frame bear flag. Like, I'm surprised it's not something you might have noticed, Nick, because you like to trade like the 5 second, the 30 seconds. So there's probably like a little flag happening on a small time frame.
Well, right now I went back in, or I added to position based on the 30-second. Yeah, I guess you can call it a bear flag, but just, I don't know, I just usually this kind of thing, those kinds of things, like just reject. Um, yeah, I guess you can call it a bear flag.
right. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe, guys. Are you making some money today in this Asian session? Did we call out a pretty good trade? Right now, I'm up 35 points and counting on this trade. Nick actually front ran this trade and called it out before I got in it. So shout out to Nick for calling this one out. And
Whoa.
and this was a really good one, a great signal. Everyone could be making some money if you took this signal. It was a high probability trade. Yeah, this is one of those ones. This is one of those ones. I think that
Yeah.
we're gonna come and look at this around 2:30 and be like, man, that was a good entry.
Yeah, that was a perfect. I'm a little bit sorry that I closed it on my funded account. Sorry, not sorry, right? Sorry, not sorry. Because yeah, and I said that I should start, practicing those trades on a little bit higher time frame where I let it go and I let it run with smaller position size. Well, okay, it is what it is.
As long as the outcome is income, bro.
Yeah, true. True. So right now I don't like what I'm seeing. I needed to go down right here.
Well, remember we're in the 20s, so it's gonna reject a
True.
few times first.
Yeah, but I mean we are in the 20s, but we reached down 805 first, so this might be just a resistance.
Exactly. Yeah, it's like a support. So when we first break the 20s, it'll break into it and then it'll bounce up back above. And it'll break into it and bounce back above. And then usually the
There
third
we
time
go.
we break into it.
Bro, it's not that I just said it, but there we go.
Yeah. And then we have
Perfect.
confluence with the 9 EMA. So
That's 1300, 1200. Let's go. Another one.
yeah, we're cooking.
Another one. I think I can when I do exit, I will exit half of it. Because why not?
Yeah, we got to take some profit, right? We got to take some profit out of this.
Mm-hmm. I already secured 1100 on the evil, so I would need 3k more to get funded, so taking it easy.
Okay, we are now up 50 points on this trade. Shout out to our boy Nick calling out a banger.
Mm-hmm. And closing it early.
And closing it early as you normally do when you call out a banger. Now, I think that's a thing. Like, I call out some really good trades and I'll close it before they reach their full potential. But like yesterday, no, the day before yesterday on Monday, I had a meta trade that I took 80% on. That thing went to 400%.
Oh wow. But you closed it when?
I closed it at 80%. Yeah.
Okay. I mean, still,
So,
what's wrong with making
it was like
with making
$150, so it's not too bad.
yeah.
But it would have been really nice to see that thing go to to the 800 that it went to before I took profit.
I mean, how do you, especially day trades, how can you let them, if you see 80%, if you see 100%, if you see 150%, how can you let it go to 400%? Like, how? Why?
Zero DTE too, so it's like, I
Yeah,
mean,
so,
there has to be
what?
something in your mind at like 100, 200, 300% where you're like, okay, well, yes, this can go down further, and yes, I'm past my break even on this option contract, but you know, do I seriously want to hold on to this? What if Trump tweets? That's my
Yeah,
main thing now.
exactly. Exactly. I mean, anything can happen. But this came straight back now to almost my break even, so I'm really tempted to close it because yeah, I'm
Oh,
out. No,
Well, now
I'm
look,
long.
the 20s are now resistance. They were support, but
Yeah,
now they're
but that's
resistance,
the
right?
second time, so I secured 700 here. I missed
That's
out
good.
on more, but that's okay. That's okay. I can always go back in. Um,
Then we got the 9 EMA acting as support on the 15 right now.
okay, so we went below the 5 minute, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, 5 minute. Yeah, we went below, and 15 minute 9 EMA. Okay. See, I'm happy now that they closed this, that they scalped it. And now let's see if we want to go back in or not yet.
So from what I've been noticing is that I gotta get my eval and then just hop in here and cook with you guys and just hop on any trade you guys hop in. That's what I've
Well,
been noticing.
Well,
save some of my best sauce for this live stream, bro. So you'll make some money for sure. Just make sure you size the same on every trade because
yeah.
you size big on the losers and small on the winners, then it can go left. It can go really left.
Definitely know how that goes.
Mm-hmm.
To the left, to the left.
uh,
You
Okay.
just gotta pick a size that you're happy with on every trade. So,
Little 10 contracts on NQ.
oh yeah, you're cooking.
On NQ, yeah, sure. Why not? Why not? I mean, if you're trying to get
On my
going
account.
immediately, yeah, why not?
Yeah. Little half a tick down and I'm out. Half a tick the wrong way, man, and that's it.
Man, it depends on what size account you got. Huh? Yeah, I don't like this anymore. I'm taking some profits out. Come on now. Give it 5 minutes and it'll give me another exit. 3, 4. Would it be crazy to reverse and go long here?
We just started a new 4 hour candle on at 11.
Yeah, you're right.
Mm.
You're right. We did. I forgot about that.
Let's see.
It looks it doesn't look like anything. I just want to think we're gonna go push up.
We could. I'm not convinced, but we could.
All of this, I'm saying this off the 4 hour. I haven't looked at anything else. Honestly, I haven't looked at the lower time. Okay. That could that possibly be in our higher low bottom
Possibly.
here? It was a
Order filled.
possible higher low here.
Possibly.
But if we bounce from
I'm
here,
taking calls. I'm taking calls. I'm talking along right here.
Well, I just noticed that hammer was green. I didn't even notice that before. You ever feel like you're in, like, I don't know, like it's almost like the opposite of deja vu. It's like being in another universe. It's like, I swear I just saw something completely different. Anyway, that's cool. That's cool. That was a good place to go long, I tell you.
Mm-hmm.
Because remember, I was saying
was.
we got to sweep these highs, bro. We got to sweep these highs.
Yep. I front ran the short, but it was not the short to hold. It was just the scalp, and I'm long right here.
Me too.
A very, very tight stop loss, so it has to go right now if it wants to go. And what highs do we need to sweep? Okay, these ones.
I'm gonna put you on the main screen, my boy.
You can, but this is not a perfect entry, so there is high probability I will get stopped.
Yeah,
Yeah, right now.
I was waiting for a pullback.
Well, I did not particularly.
I honestly want to see how this candle closes because I want it to prove to me that we're not going down. Because I have a short bias, but if this candle closes green like this, then I'll put my bias away.
Yeah, I'm stopped out. I'm stopped out, but it's time to go back in. I would say, sweep the highs here. That would be lovely. Stop loss.
5 and the 15-minute candle close.
Come on, I did not go in. There we go.
I'm still in. I like the 2 minute, I like the 5, and I like the 10 minutes. So for long. See, we're gonna push.
No, I see bearish evidence. I see bearish evidence right here just because you guys know this. I'm honestly looking for anything to support my theory. Okay, so that's how the brain works, all right? But I'm looking at the strat, and the strat is a strat 2 to the downside. This would be a perfect short entry right here. But let's see if that changes in the next 2 minutes. I'm not in yet. I want to see a candle close.
I want to put my stop loss here in the profits.
And volume is picking up, so buyers are very interested at the 9 EMA.
We might really go sweep the high and then come down if we want to come down. I'll put my stop loss here in the profits and protect what I had. I have no idea what has happened. One way, I don't know if I made something here or not, but I'm still up 1,000 on this account, so okay. But I want to try once again. Let's just say stop me and then it goes. Okay. You know what? This was. I think you might have been right. This is. I haven't even looked at the market cipher. Bear divs on my 5 seconds and lower, so I think you might have been right to call out the short again. Let's see.
We'll see. Let's see how this candle goes.
What would be your target on the short?
It would be 29,750.
Okay. 300.
29,750. So roughly about 90 points from here. But let's see. I want to see if this is going to strat 2 to the upside, or if it's going to stay a 1, or if it's going to strat 2 to the downside. As long as it doesn't pop out the top of that last candle, I like shorts. Okay, I still like shorts. Let's go.
Order filled.
My stop loss is right at the top of that last candle. So as soon as we break that, I'm out.
That's
I'm late for short. I'm late for this.
The evening star on a 2 minute. Currently.
Love. That's love.
I feel like I'm too late for this.
It might come back. Oh shit.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, all right then.
Stopped out. Nice call, Donovan, bro.
Very nice. Very lovely.
And my brain was looking for I was looking for an excuse, guys.
Look at this. Oh my god.
Beautiful call, bro. Wow.
Bro, no. That was like 1,200 with my position size if I just went in.
Oh, my little cute $78 here.
Let's go.
Cooking.
Doesn't matter. Look at the
cute.
points.
It's okay.
Yeah, this
You
is
know,
turning into a bull flag though right now. Unless we get a bearish engulfer out of this right now, then this is a bull flag.
I went short here.
Ooh, okay.
If we're gonna
We're
see
getting
maybe
close to the 15-minute
one more
9
leg.
EMA. We're at the 20s
Now
right now.
stop. This was ridiculous. Minus 1400.
You're
Okay.
gonna get a bounce. You're gonna get a bounce, bro, because we're at the 20s.
Yeah. I know. I just went to. I was too eager to make something. Fine. But it's okay. Not the first time that I do that.
You know the vibes, bro. It happens. It happens. Young FOMO in the building. That should definitely be a trader's rap name, Young FOMO.
Young FOMO. Young MC FOMO.
Yeah.
I want to see what happens before this 10-minute closes.
Right here.
I want to see this thing. This is the third try of the 20s, so I want to see us pop under these 20s and turn it into resistance.
And I have to go make food coffee. Let's go. That was a good
Yeah.
entry. I will take this tablet with me. There we go. What?
Come on, let's go. Show me 29,790. I'd be happy about 29,790. Okay, we're putting pressure on it. That's what I'm talking
Not
about.
much pressure, yo. Too much pressure. I don't like it. I don't like it at the moment.
Pressure.
Yeah, and I'm out. Ah. Now when you put me on the stream, you see, or you put pressure on me, and now I'm getting stopped here.
No. Yeah, price is doing stupid stuff, bro. It's really going sideways. So
Yeah, but
I
we
should,
got nice moves, so
yeah.
there was no excuses to lock the profits like I did earlier.
Well, I'm being greedy. I should be scalping. I said I was gonna scalp, and here I am
Ah,
trying to hold for a big old drop. Trying to hold for a big old drop. Well,
look at it go back down.
yeah, every dog has his day, don't they say that? They say
Mm.
that. I guess I should work on my bark. Lovely, lovely. Yeah, I don't see why we'd be putting this kind of pressure on the lows unless we're gonna break through. So I'm gonna hold on.
Yeah, bro. It's more.
There we go. What I say, 3 tries of the 20, and boom, we're underneath it. Now I want to see the 20s become resistance because they were support. And then I can see that we were having trouble getting back above like 825, then I can hold on a little longer. But if we pop above 825, it will put fear in my heart.
Oh, I don't know. Short hairs again, or this is 490. That's too much. Where is this thing at minus 392? Okay, still have room to play. Still have room to play. Or
Yeah, we're at the 9 EMA again, so that's what I don't like about
115, right?
on the 15. Yeah,
Yeah.
I don't like shorting when we're going into
Yeah.
the 9 EMA, but
Yeah.
I'm learning to deal with it.
That's true. And 15 looks it looked bullish, the 15 minutes. And then we became short biased, but we are bull flagging at the top of the range. We are on the 15-minute 9 EMA.
It's the rebob. But remember, I just want to see that we can, if we can reclaim 825,
There
I'm
is
out
more
of here.
bullish things in there right now.
I don't want to see us reclaim 825. Stay away. Up, 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 up. I am no longer happy. I am not
Not
a happy
happy
camper anymore.
because
No,
you are still in your shorts, right?
I am.
I'm ready to go long.
And I just took profit
Order
because I
filled.
don't like how we just jumped up there like that. But arguably, it's still a good short because we haven't. If we get into the 830s, that's really where it's
I'm
at.
long.
It's just oh yeah,
And
oh yeah, oh yeah.
there
Okay.
we go.
Yeah, yeah. It might be good to go long here because this is the bottom of the bull flag. All right, and I won't unfollow you now if you go long. Before we didn't need that kind of negative energy around my shorts, but now it's okay.
I'm just, you know, I don't even know. So what is 820? Okay, and I'm stopped out almost. No, it's took. Yeah, well. We have half an hour until the London Open, so I guess this will be the
It's the precursor to the London Opens move.
round trip, freaking round trip. This thing. Completely round tripped.
What happened to me this session? I was up at 2,500, and then I took like two bad trades, and I was back down to where I started, and then I'm almost back at 2,500 again. Is it stand? Oh, I could have stayed in that damn short.
You could have, yeah, but
It's cool. Nothing wrong with scalping, bro. Nothing wrong with scalping in this market. This market right
no.
here. Okay, now I'm seeing. Okay, I'm seeing all the signs. I'm seeing the signs of a good short. Hmm. Yeah, I don't know. If I see us pushing to them 20s one more time, then okay, here we go. Here we go. I'm starting to favor longs right now. I kind of want to I'm gonna size down and I'm gonna go long right here.
Order
Oh
filled.
my gosh. Oh, I pressed the wrong button, but I'm still went the right direction. So
The 1 hourly candle is so indecisive, bro.
yeah. Everything below the 4 hour looks crazy right now.
But you went short again here, or?
No, I'm long.
I don't know.
I'm long, but my stop is at 8:05, right at the
Uh-huh.
9 EMA. So if we hit that 5 minute 9 EMA one more time, it's a wrap for me. But I just see that we're putting pressure on. I like how we're putting pressure on the 20s. And I had an aggressive entry. It's not really a good entry, but I do like how we're putting pressure on the 20s. I think that we could see another push up. Okay, I'm about to get stopped out. I'm 12 ticks away. Never mind. Okay, maybe. Never mind. I don't know. We'll see. This thing's bipolar. It's like, is it
Yeah,
rabbit
it's a
season? It's
very
duck season.
Choppity chop, chop, choppity chop.
choppity chop chop, yes.
That's why I was
But
like, I'm
this is
stopping.
also the bottom of the flag, so it might be not bad long.
Yeah.
Although it looks like, to me, to be honest, it looks a little bit more bearish.
It does. It definitely does.
But I'm ready to go long too, so let's see if I see
If we
something that I like.
if we see
Because risk to reward is here to aim for the
yeah,
top of the flag.
right.
Risk to reward is here, so it's definitely worth it.
Now you're talking, bro. Now you're talking.
That's the only thing. And let's see now, 5. I will go all the way down to 5. Let's see if we reclaim this or just weak us like it did. Let's see.
Sound like if we pop into those 820s one more
I'm in.
time.
Oh my god, the
Time.
freaking slippage.
Stop
Oh,
filled.
nope. They
Freaking
stopped me out,
no.
bro.
Okay.
They stopped me out. I'm out of that thing.
My stop loss is 804.25. I'm out too. Yeah.
Oh, they risked me. They hit my little risk, my little $20.
Hmm.
That's
I
cool. I'll
had
take it.
60.
Not too bad. All right, shorts were the move. I could have just stayed in my shorts. Could have just stayed in my shorts. I really could have stayed in my original short to this point and still been good.
Well, I wanna go back in somehow. And look, already missed it. So look, we just actually. Well, I don't know. Maybe I
Uh-huh.
should just stay away.
Little bounce, little bounce. I'm waiting on a bounce. I want to see a move that I'm pretty sure is too fast to be real. And
Too
then I'm going to
fast,
go
too
for it.
furious.
Ooh, ooh, I like this. I like this.
Yeah, I
I
wanted
like
to
it.
go in and now I'm late again. See,
I
give
like
me a
it.
pullback. I might go. I might go if we pull back a little bit more here.
How
I'm
Order
right
filled.
here. I'm short
how I
right.
see this market right here is just like whenever you think it's going up, just play it
Yeah,
down. And you
the
do
session
it's
is
going down,
like
yeah. Look
completely
at this thing, bro. Man, that's great.
weird session.
About to push. It might be about to push, but I'm in shorts, so I don't know. I'm smack dab in the middle. I'm at 812.
Look
So
at that.
it
Look at
can
that.
it can go down, but I'm telling you, if this thing pops into those 20s, we're gonna see those highs, man.
I would love that. I mean, I went long again.
I think
Mm.
they're gonna stop me out and you're gonna cook. So I'll be your liquidity, bro. I'm going short.
Thank you. Let me know when I need to be yours.
I'm taking one for the team, bro.
Let's
Here
go.
goes. Here
Oh,
goes.
oh, yes. And I added at the perfect time. So I'm basically full port on the funded.
Oh,
Stop filled.
porting. Let's go. Full port into a new high of the session. I think that's where we're going.
A little bit below. I will take 5 contracts out here. Will I? Will I?
Oh, okay. I see the pattern now.
There
You
we
got
go.
the
Yeah.
pattern? We're making the pennant
Kame
right now.
What are we doing?
Something like that. We're making a pennant. It's like it's the Kamehameha's sister. It's the little triangle pennant. And then what will it do after that is the question.
And on the 1 minute we have a double bottom, a W shaped recovery
Uh-huh.
incoming.
Yeah, it's about to blow up. But I think it's gonna come touch that 14 first. So I want in right there at what's that? 9776. That'd be perfect.
Oh wait, we were bull flagging. Just saw this on the 10.
Yeah.
It's kind of a bull flag, but on the 15 it's a pennant. So it's like it's weird, man. It's a lot of things happening at once right now. And then we got the London Open in 30 minutes. So gotta cancel my Crunchyroll subscription soon.
Here what?
You ever watch anime?
Anime, you say?
Yeah, there's something called Crunchyroll where you can watch all the anime
The
for
only
free.
anime I would watch was Dragon Ball Z.
Yeah,
Oh yeah, of
obvious.
course, of course.
Mhm. Of course, man. That so much that I named. I think I already told you guys.
Mm-hmm. You did, yeah.
My son's name is Gohan. So.
Oh, that's dope, bro. Yeah, you did tell us that. That's crazy.
Yeah.
Crazy.
That was your first son, or?
No, actually, he's my youngest.
Okay.
You got to get him a pet turtle named Cell. Then a pet
That's
hamster named Majin Buu.
Majin Buu. Oh.
Or
Yeah.
like a naked
hey,
mole.
that's a
And
dope idea because he loves dogs, bro. I'm gonna have to get him
yeah,
a dog.
yeah, that'd be dope.
Imagine Boo.
Majin
Majin
Buu.
Buu, bro. Get him like a naked mole rat or something named Majin Buu. That'd be crazy. Something pink.
Is it pink, huh?
Fuck, I'm gonna get him a pig, bro.
Oh shit, that'd be crazy. A pig named Majin Buu, that'd be crazy as hell.
Perfect
Oh, wow.
That
color
We're
would be
combination.
pushing, and
perfect.
I took most of my contracts out, so I have 5 runners. Stop loss in profits. That's a funded account. I don't feel like risking anything. I had a perfect entry, had a perfect ad, and then I ruined everything with taking profits home. No,
Since
I'm just joking.
since this is not a funded or anything, or I mean even an eval, the very first time I went long, I just let it, I just left it there, and now I'm up again 150.
Let's go. Oh, Anderson, hello. TP 29923. Oh,
Yep,
wow.
yep. That's like
923 above the previous week low. Okay. I was aiming just for this session high, I believe, or just the local high that we did. 29883 or something.
I got a level up there where Anderson's aiming for. So I agree.
That's
I
lovely. Mr.
wholeheartedly.
Anderson, you've been killing it past 3-4 days here.
Yep. He's the man.
How is that band or this guy called? Anderson Paak, I think. No?
Yeah, that's the rapper.
Yeah. I love it.
Anderson Pacquiao.
Paak, no?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, no one spells the pack like Pack spells the pack.
But okay.
Leader of the pack.
Little of the pack, huh? Okay.
Man, can I be great? I want to like half port this account right now.
What that mean? What does that mean? I don't know.
Instead of full port, I want to half port. But there's no real support. So any little pullback could smack me down. Smack me down.
I want to add here, maybe. Yeah, let's go. You are allowed to go to continue higher. Thank you.
Yeah, I think we're breaking out of this pennant, so no reason why we shouldn't go higher.
My stop loss from the add-on is way in profits, so that I like that. I could even lower it. Have room
Order
to
filled.
play. Let's go.
I think I'm in. Riding with y'all, man. I'm long at 56. Normal trade size, nothing crazy.
Let's go.
I want my $20 back. Like to scale into this if we pull back a little bit. Oh, perfect. Perfect. Let's come back. Let's see if there's any more where that came from before I add to this. Okay, right here.
Order filled.
Wow.
Perfect.
Not sure liking this. Okay, 30 seconds, 14 SMA. Okay. That might hold, but oh no. See? I got stopped here.
Stop filled.
And now my stop loss is effed up. 689. Wow.
Order filled.
Okay. Yes,
Stop filled.
I'm stopped out of 2 trades. So I had 5 contracts altogether. I split them up. I did 2, 2, and 1, and I'm on my last one. Kind of scaled into that.
Okay, I'm good actually. This was a free loss. But I want to add here again. Maybe.
Candle closes in 6 minutes, so let's see if it can get back up there. It's crazy. What was that?
Why? Nothing.
Was it aggressive sellers? Was it like
Yeah, I'm
someone
out.
taking profit? I don't know.
This doesn't look good on 5 at the moment. But I don't know what. Scared
There's a
money
lot of
makes no
support.
money. I'm going back in.
There's a lot of support. Volume is increasing. So there is a nice little fight going on between buyers and sellers. And I want to see like a lot of volume come in on calls, on longs.
London opens in 19, so
Goodness gracious. Man. All right. The Bulls. Where you at, Bulls? Waiting on y'all. We're here trusting my inner voice, getting stopped out.
Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, it's 13, bro. Oh, come on. What is this? Can we not push? And just push. Play these games. Whoa. Okay. Okay. Whatever. 419 again. I gave some profits back. Ah. I'm green on the session, but somehow I feel like I haven't done good. I don't know what that means.
Well, if you made any sort of money in a sideways market, you did good. I mean, this market is doing absolutely nothing but going to the right, and somehow we still made some money. So
So I should be okay with that, huh? Okay.
yeah, I mean, if it's a trending market and you missed out like yesterday when it's going straight down, okay, yeah,
Yeah.
it's like all you had to do was go short, but you actually had to think today.
All right, man. I'm gonna call it. It's time for me.
All
Catch you
right,
guys.
big dog,
Okay, bro.
have a
Yeah.
good one. Catch you tomorrow. I might trade the New York Open.
Okay, okay.
All right, you guys have a dope ass session. Make a lot of money. Later.
Thank you, bro.
All right, I'll tell NQ she's my bitch. Have a good night.
Yeah, let her know, man.
Have a good one, bro.
All right, peace out. Peace out.
Peace. Oh, the Bears are gritting their teeth right now, bro. It looks it does
Yeah,
not good.
there, yeah. Yeah.
It does not look good for the Bulls right now.
But we
But
are holding somehow here, so now I'm out completely.
were we were holding, yep.
Well,
Order filled.
It's
back
Order
to my
filled.
original profit. Ah, the second round trip of the session, and I was late. Maybe that's the reason. Maybe I shouldn't be late next time.
I am shorting the bottom.
You are, huh?
On the 3 minute, I'm shorting the bottom. On the 15 minute, we've got room. We've got room to run.
I don't. You might be very right, but somehow I don't feel it. I don't know why.
Oh, I really shouldn't.
Look at the 10 minutes, bro. We are at the 9 and 14 at the same time. Um, 30 has
Same
this
time.
upper week, so I guess that his was a rejection resistance here. But the money flow is curving to the upside. We made some kind of bull dips here on the momentum wave, so well, I don't know. Weird price action. Weird, and we caught nice moves again, like 30, 40 points straight, so
Yeah, my biggest mistake is not taking profit on a lot of trades.
yeah, exactly. Same here. Same here. It was same here.
But arguably, I could still be short from that first trade in the session and still be green right now. But it's not like I'm not green for the session though, so I'm okay.
I don't know. I tried another long here. Somehow I feel like it wants to continue higher, and I doubt anyone likes to short more than me. But somehow, and if I'm wrong, I'm wrong. I will still be green if I'm wrong here, and then I think I could just go grab my coffee and chill out. Yeah, I'm wrong. I'm wrong. Still green? Still green. $35. Okay.
You gotta be
Okay.
wrong. Wrong and green is the way to go.
Hey, she is. I was up unrealized 900, realized 600, so that's probably why I feel bad. But tell me 5 minutes. So we've been ranging here. Chop, 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 chop. We came to the top of the range. We are making. Oh, excuse me. Some kind of a bull flag here. The
Still in
9 and
shorts.
14 are all together. We might just flush.
Yeah, I'm counting on it. I'm in shorts, and it's just like kind of coming right back to break even and playing around, but I'm
Yeah,
not
you know
really
what?
worried about
12
it.
minutes until the London Open. Well, what else did we expect? I mean,
Got to be some games.
huh?
It's got to be some games, some sort of fuckery.
Yeah. And now it goes. Uh,
Is that right? He wants it that bad.
we'll just leave it on 5 minutes. I don't FOMO. You can switch back to your screen if you like, because
Anything right now.
I don't have any ideas right here. I want to see this bull flag on 5 minutes broken down to the downside or to the upside, and then I might react, but I might just call it a day here after we finish the stream and take a break and then try to do something in the afternoon.
Makes sense. Makes
Well,
dollars
this
make
was
sense.
actually a very good trading session. Only thing I gave back the profit, so now I think it should be tiny break.
Yeah, break even's better than the loss.
Yeah, for sure. No, 100%. That's what I'm saying. But it would be stupid from my side to go in loss now.
How
So
did I flip this damn thing? I flip the board back. Okay, cool. All right. I was playing a 10-minute game with someone, and damn, I flipped the board.
oh,
Mm-hmm.
you can flip it then on those three lines. I think.
Yeah, I flipped it back.
Okay.
It was an accident, but I guess it
But
could be useful.
yeah, sometimes, yeah, for sure. For me, for example, it can be useful only if I see what he's attacking, because sometimes I miss the attack. But yeah, those 3 days game, bro. Come on. I just
Mm-hmm.
I can I for some reason that they don't work for me.
Mm-hmm. Mm-mm-mm-mm.
Yeah, flag is still flagging. Okay, let them see.
Mm-hmm. And I'm still in the same trade. Like, price is not going anywhere.
It's not doing anything. We have London open in 5 minutes, so.
Mm-hmm. Need the UK to sell this thing to the floor. But I wouldn't
To the
mind if they swept the highs first.
window,
To
to
the
the
walls.
floor.
Yeah, no, really. Yeah, they'll probably go ahead and sweep those highs and then drop it like it's hot. So we'll get what we're looking for. Everyone gets what they're looking for, but who gets it first? That's the question.
Question.
Oh no.
A burr, a burr, a burr. I'm making my waypoint here.
Still not stopped out or in profit. So there's that. That's happening right now. A whole lot of nothing. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Mm. Yeah, I kind of want to do that. Oh, I don't want to do. Oh, I did not see that. I did not see that at all. Still in the same trade with nothing happening. Hmm. Interesting.
Hmm. Okay.
Oh, right. I'll be right back.
Go for it. Oh, I'm in profit now. Would you look at that? Would have never guessed. Oh my goodness. No, that wouldn't have been good. That wouldn't have been good. That wouldn't have been any good. And he had no choice. No choice at all. Oh my God. I almost did some stupid shit. Some really stupid shit. Mm-mm. Damn, I almost had him. I could have took his queen, but it wouldn't even mattered at that point. It wouldn't have even mattered at all. At all. Okay, what are we doing now? We are in shorts and up a little bit. I want my $100 back, please. Thank you.
Okay, I'm back.
Cool, man. Yeah, we can get ready to call it a night soon, man. I'm in this last trade if the people want to see it. Let me see what we got over here. We can start to do our outro.
Okay, London opened. Did we have some kind of a move?
Right into the sound.
Ball flag on the 5 looks like it wants to come down.
Which could be a normal bull flag thing before it breaks out.
Okay.
Still anyone's game. I should just take profits and then wait and see. You can never lose when you take profits.
Absolutely.
You talked me into it. Somehow you're so persuasive, man.
Order filled.
There we go. $65 off of one contract. That is a magnificent win.
That is not bad at all, no?
No. And it's very possible this thing could shoot up to the moon. Or not. But it's all good. You know, you guys out there trading whatever you're trading, I'm pretty sure you have had a good session. We called out some big winners. Thanks for tuning in. And if you haven't already, make sure that you subscribe. You know, oh yeah, Anita was like, let's go.
Let's go.
Okay. Anderson had the TP at 29,923. I think it could still go there, my guy. I do. So yeah, shout out to you if you traded with us today. I really hope you made some money. Look, hit that like button. Share it to somebody who you think is interested in seeing it. If you're interested in joining the Red E Society, check that link in the description below. And remember, the price of patience is always cheaper than the price of regret.
Wow. I have nothing to add there, bro. You said it all.
I try. I'm starting to get in my groove, man. So I will